Hi everybody, in this lesson I'm gonna tell you how to use the selection tool. In the toolbox, select the direct selection tool. It is the white arrow in the top right of the toolbox. The shortcut is A. Now it is selected. Let's see what we can do with the direct selection tool. First, you can select an object and move it. Change the color like selection tool. This may seem similar to the selection tool, but the direct selection tool allows you to perform other tasks. For example, you can pick one point on an object, or by holding the Shift key, you can select multiple points. The points you have selected are now darker. While the points you have not selected are white. Now you can make changes just to the selected ones. You can move the selected point or points. You can then move it in the direction you want with either your mouse or by using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Let's move it first with the mouse. And now let's use the keyboard. Also, after selecting one point, you will see anchor handles like this. You can click and drag the handles and edit the object however you want. You can also modify the corner points by selecting it. You will see anchor point. Click and drag it to change it, like so. You can also click multiple points and make all of them same size. Press Shift on your keyboard and click the corner points you want to change. Once they're selected, you can change it with your mouse or from the top menu by entering the numbers. Let's do it with the mouse first. And let's enter the numbers here, the corners. There you go. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, like and subscribe. See you next time.